If you could control your mind completely, how different would your life be? Be honest, how often do your thoughts control you instead of you controlling them? 2,000 years ago, Marcus Aurelius, the philosopher king of Rome, mastered the art of mental control. And the best part? His methods still work today. Today, I'll share the Stoic way to take back control of your mind. And it starts with understanding what you can and cannot control. Marcus. Right now, can you name the things you truly control? Marcus wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." This means most of your stress comes from fighting things you cannot change. Instead, put all your focus on what's in your hands, your thoughts, your actions, your attitude. Lesson 1. Separate facts from opinions. If it's raining, that's a fact. Thinking, "This ruins my day," that's opinion. How many times have your opinions made things worse than they really were? Marcus trained himself to see things as they are, nothing more. Because the moment you control how you see things, you control your mind. Lesson 2. Pause before you react. When something triggers you, take a deep breath and wait before you speak. What's the longest you've ever stayed calm before reacting? This short pause can save you from regret. Lesson 3. Use reason, not emotion, to guide decisions. When you're angry, you'll say things you regret. When you're calm, you'll say the right thing. Marcus believed emotions are guests. They come and go, but they don't own you. Right now, which emotion visits you the most? Lesson 4. Focus on the present moment. Most stress comes from replaying the past or fearing the future. But the only time you can act is now. If you master the present, you master your mind. Lesson 5. Accept what you cannot change. Some things are simply beyond your control, and fighting them only hurts you. Marcus accepted life's hardships as part of nature's plan. What's one thing you need to stop resisting right now? Lesson 6. Control your self-talk. What you tell yourself shapes how you feel and act. Marcus would replace unhelpful thoughts with rational ones. Change your thoughts, and you change your life. Lesson 7. Train daily. Controlling your mind isn't a one-time act, it's daily practice. If you practiced self-control every day for a year, how different would you be? Lesson 8. Choose your influences wisely. Your mind becomes what you feed it. If you guard your mind, you guard your life. Lesson 9. Practice gratitude. Focusing on what you have keeps your mind at peace. What's one thing you're grateful for today? Lesson 10. Accept mortality. Marcus. Knowing life is short makes you focus on what truly matters. Marcus faced death calmly, knowing it's part of nature. When you fear less, you live more. Lesson 11. Serve others. A mind focused on helping has no space for petty worries. Who could you help today, even in a small way? Lesson 12. Keep learning. A sharp mind is easier to control. Marcus never stopped questioning and refining his beliefs. Control comes from clarity, and clarity comes from learning. Bold text, clarity equals control, fills the scene, transitioning from white to gold, reinforcing the connection between understanding and personal mastery. Lesson 13. Practice self-discipline. Every time you say no to a temptation, you strengthen your mind. What's one habit you could control starting today? Lesson 14. Use adversity as training. Hardship sharpens the mind like a blade. Visual. Marcus saw every obstacle as a lesson. The obstacle is the way. Lesson 15. Live simply. A simple life keeps the mind clear. What's one thing you could remove to simplify your life? Lesson 16. Stay humble. Ego is the enemy of a peaceful mind. Marcus ruled an empire, but saw himself as a student. A humble mind is an open mind. Lesson 17. Align actions with values. Integrity keeps the mind at rest. When your actions match your beliefs, there's no inner conflict. Are your actions matching your values today? Lesson 18. Keep perspective. Most problems shrink when you zoom out. You're part of something much bigger. Small mind, big problems. Big mind, small problems. Lesson 19. Practice forgiveness. Letting go frees your mind. So tell me, which of these Marcus Aurelius lessons will you start using today?